Hi there, I'm Frank, and in this video, I'll walk you through the key steps to get an accurate insurance quote. By the end, you'll be ready to secure a quote that perfectly fits your needs. Let's get started. Here are some essential tips to help you secure the best coverage at the most affordable rates. Whether you're insuring your home, car, or rental, these steps will ensure you get optimal coverage for your needs. The initial step in preparing for an insurance quote is to collect all necessary information. Ensure you have your current insurance documents readily available before our call. By having this information ready, you will speed up the process and ensure you receive accurate quotes. For car insurance, you will need your vehicle identification number, VIN, as well as the make, model, and year of your vehicles. Additionally, have your driver's license number and a record of any claims made in the past 5 years ready. For home or renter's insurance, you will need the square footage of the property, the year it was built, and the type of construction, e.g., brick, wood siding. Additionally, provide details of any home improvements and whether you have a home security system. If your homeowner's insurance payment is escrowed by your mortgage company, have your lien holder and loan number available. Renters should also have their property manager's information ready. Once you have gathered all your information, it's time to compare quotes. We'll aim to find the optimal balance between coverage and cost. I will clarify any doubts you might have, especially about deductibles, premiums, and coverage limits during our review. During our review, feel free to ask any questions. It's important to understand the details of what each policy includes and excludes. Finally, I'll assess your coverage requirements to ensure the chosen policy sufficiently addresses all potential risks, helping you make a well-informed decision. Sometimes, opting for slightly higher coverage can save you a lot of money and pain in the long run. Remember, preparation is crucial to securing the best coverage at the most competitive price. This makes the process of comparing rates straightforward and efficient. To confirm our appointment, simply open the calendar email in your inbox and reply with, "Frank, I accept our time and date for the auto and home review." You can reach me at fmice@allstate.com. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. See you next time. Watch my channel for insurance updates and rate changes.